Hey everyone, and welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Today we're tackling a topic that affects so many of us, sugar cravings. In this video, beat sugar cravings naturally easy tips. We're diving deep into the science behind those cravings, and more importantly, I'm sharing simple, actionable strategies to help you take control. We'll explore practical ways to naturally reduce those cravings, from the foods you eat to the importance of sleep and stress management. Let's get started. Stay tuned for tips that will transform your health journey. Chapter 1. Why do we crave sugar? Well, it all starts with our brains. Sugar triggers the release of dopamine, a feel-good chemical, creating a cycle of craving and reward. When we eat sugar, our blood sugar levels spike, leading to a crash later on that leaves us craving more. It's a vicious cycle. We might reach for cookies out of habit, like when we watch a movie, or turn to ice cream for comfort after a stressful day. Recognizing these patterns is the first step to breaking free. Understanding the science behind our cravings can help us make healthier choices. Chapter 2. Eat more protein and healthy fats. One of the most effective ways to combat sugar cravings is to focus on eating more protein and healthy fats. These nutrients help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling fuller for longer, reducing those intense spikes and crashes that leave you craving sweets. When it comes to protein, opt for lean sources like chicken, fish, beans, lentils, tofu, and Greek yogurt. Healthy fats are your friends too. Incorporate avocados, nuts, seeds, olive oil, and chia seeds into your diet. Remember, balancing your meals with protein and healthy fats is key to feeling satisfied and reducing those pesky sugar cravings. This approach not only helps with cravings but also supports overall health and energy levels. Chapter 3. Stay hydrated and reduce hidden sugars. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when it comes to managing sugar cravings. Often our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading us to reach for a sugary snack when what we really need is a refreshing glass of water. Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day. Aim for at least 8 glasses daily. Instead of reaching for a bottled juice or soda, which are loaded with hidden sugars, opt for a glass of water with a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime. Speaking of hidden sugars, they lurk in many processed foods and drinks, from salad dressings to yogurt. Get into the habit of reading food labels carefully and choosing options with little to no added sugar. Be mindful of terms like corn syrup and fructose. Incorporate more whole foods like fruits and vegetables into your diet to naturally reduce sugar intake. Chapter 4. Get enough sleep and manage stress. Now let's talk about the importance of sleep and stress management. When we're sleep deprived, our bodies produce more of the stress hormone cortisol, which can increase our cravings for sugary, high-fat foods. Make quality sleep a non-negotiable. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep each night. Stress can also send our sugar cravings into overdrive. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as exercise, meditation, spending time in nature, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. Even taking a few deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed can make a world of difference. Imagine this. You're about to reach for that candy bar after a stressful meeting, but instead you pause, close your eyes, and take 5 deep breaths. Journaling and taking walks in nature are also great ways to manage stress. Chapter 5. Use natural sweeteners and mindful eating. Now, I'm not saying you have to give up sweetness altogether. Instead of reaching for artificial sweeteners, which can actually increase cravings, opt for natural sweeteners in moderation. Think raw honey, maple syrup, dates, coconut sugar, or stevia. Another powerful tool is mindful eating. Instead of mindlessly munching on a bag of chips, slow down and savor each bite. Pay attention to the taste, texture, and aroma of your food. Imagine this. You're craving chocolate. Instead of denying yourself, allow yourself a small piece of dark chocolate. Eat it slowly, mindfully. You might find that you feel more satisfied with just a few bites, and you're less likely to overindulge. Incorporate mindful practices like deep breathing or journaling to enhance your mindful eating journey. Chapter 6. The Powerful Mindset Shift. Finally, let's talk about the power of mindset. One of the most impactful things you can do is shift your perspective on sugar. Instead of viewing it as the enemy, see it as something you enjoy occasionally, in moderation. Start by becoming aware of your triggers. Do you crave sugar when you're stressed, tired, or bored? Ask yourself, am I really hungry or am I just craving this out of habit? By becoming more mindful of your choices, you can start to break free from those automatic sugar cravings. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time to avoid impulsive choices. Stay hydrated and opt for natural sweetness from fruits. Celebrate your small victories and stay committed to your healthier lifestyle. Thank you for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful in your journey to beat sugar cravings naturally. Which tip resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, every small step counts towards a healthier you. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. Before we wrap up, let's discuss the incredible long-term benefits of reducing sugar intake. First and foremost, cutting down on sugar can significantly improve your overall health. You'll be lowering your risk of developing chronic diseases such as diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. But that's not all. You'll also notice a better mood and more stable energy levels throughout the day. Without the constant sugar highs and crashes, you'll find it easier to stay focused and productive. And let's not forget about your skin. Reducing sugar can lead to clearer, more radiant skin, as it decreases inflammation and helps your body repair itself more efficiently. So, as you embark on this journey to beat sugar cravings naturally, remember that the benefits extend far beyond the immediate satisfaction. You're investing in a healthier, happier, and more vibrant future. Keep taking those small steps, and soon you'll see the big changes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living a healthier life. See you in the next video.